National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County, northeastern Muskingum County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Concord, or 9 miles northeast of Zanesville, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Concord, Norwich, Chandlersville, Bridgeville. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 160 and 174. Now for the